Hi, my people. Hi, my friends. I hope you're good. I'm not gonna waste of time here, but I'm here to deliver something. I'm here to deliver my answers. And one question. Masalantabeni ungipostile wathi ngi-overpower entweni eziningi mayidali. Wathi wena umatweti wena uzulu. Wena uyini masalantabeni. So why decide to kill yourself if wena uyigwe? I won't change anything masalantabeni. I don't know your life's issues. But mina moja life wena le ulwa nayo ngisaphila namanje right for mina. So wena ukuthi maybe ufuna umaseko bheki or ini ukhosa ini ukhosa ama-angle ukhosa ama-society. No my darling, said ukuthi wena you are strong, keep it in that way. Ungipostile wangiphendula emapostini amaningi wangirekhoda even nakuTawu. Yes, ngiphumile noTawu. Yes, and there were cameras. Mengingasinto nje ama-camera mekakhona my child. Ukuthi uyangiphosta expose, this is my life. Akunala ngizongatheka khona. I am Jabula Daji. I'm a gay person, I'm strong. You are a woman. So yekela computer nami my child. Yekela computer nami. I don't think I'll see myself causing a society. With no reason, thanks. Stop what you are doing and focus in life, my child. Thank you, my South Africa. I'm sorry to be like that. I'm sorry to be like that, my friends. But as I said, I'm here to give answers with the one question. Thank you, my loves.
Ngiyanibingelela lonke mzansi wase-South Africa. Ngiyenza le video because of ngifuna ukuxolisa. Ukufuna ukuthatha impilo yami, angikase ngeke sengicabangela abantwana bami. Ngibe selfish. Ngicela ukuthi ngixolele kuko konke lokho mzansi. Nami angizenzanga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok. Even though abantu bebakhomenta ngendlela bakhomenta ngayo, bengingabuza ubuhlungu by that time. Kade ngigcine sengibona ukuthi this thing le ibuhlungu. Angikhonanga ukucontrol imizwa yami. Angikwazanga ukucabangela abantwana bami, ngaba selfish. Kuko konke lokhu bekungizwisa ubuhlungu. But ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami engimkhonzayo nabezimu basekhaya ukuthi bangikhusele ngibe namandla ukuthi ngikhona ukudlula kulesi simo. Njengoba benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok, guys, bengasinto yokudlala lento bengiyenza. Bengifuna usizo ngendlela engibona ukuthi ngingalithola ngakhona, but still angikase ngilithole. I cannot go on social media ngikhuluma izinto ukuthi azikho, ukuthi ziyangidla and zibuhlungu. Guys, ngibasebenzela abantu beMoja Love and mina besides nginabantwana. Nginomamami ekumele ngabe ngiyamondla. Njengabo abantu engisebenza nabo kuMoja Love kufana noDabula noMaseko. Abantu abafana nami kuleyo show, ama-main character. Njengoba baclaima kuma-social media ukuthi bona ba-happy, ba-right, baholile, abanankinga neMoja Love. Mina guys ngiqinisile nginayo inkinga neMoja Love. Abantu laba angibayenzanga nice guys, ngibasebenzele and ngabasebenzela clean. ngaphandle kwento eziningi mhlampe ezingenza ukuthi ekugcineni bangiphathe ngale ndlela bangiphathe ngayo. So they failed to pay me imali yami and ngisebenzile. The reason why bangafuni ukungibhadala angazi. The worst thing abafuna ucommunicate nami ba-communicate nomamami kule simo lesi. I don't know why. Mengizwa bakhuluma nomamami but it's because of mina ngiye ku-social media. I went to social media because of nginenyanga ngicommunicate nabo since October bangangiphenduli, bangiblock. Azange bafuna ukukhuluma nami. Nginama-record enginawo efonini yomngani wami osemamelodi uTears. Beza kimi bangitshela ukuthi this thing lena singayilungisa. I come back at home. Babatshela ukuthi ngifikile ekhaya abakasebenze ekhaya yithi. Ekugcineni bagcine bangibhula bangitshela the way ekhaya sihlupheke ngakhona. That is why ngihlanya ngiye kuma-social media ngifuna imali yami. I have to ukuthi ngiyilwele imali yami to the extent that bangisebenzise ngale ndlela ukuthi wherever that I shoot mina ngami it's a reality. Impilo yami unlike ama-content wabanye abantu abawafeyikayo. Eyami mina impilo bengi-expose for real for them to earn money in a company but ekugcineni ke kwenzakalani? Abafuna ukungibhadala imali yami guys. Mina nginabantwana abayi-3 and I'm a single parent. Abantwana bami ngiyazondlela bona. Akekho omunye umuntu ongisizayo. Abantwana bami they went to Christmas bangana-next, banganakudla, banganayimpahla. Manje I have to ukuthi bayorejista esikolweni. Anginamali yokuthi bathenge even i-uniform but mina I've worked hard for the company. Then now I receive nothing from them. And no reason ukuthi why they do that to me. I went to many broadcasters ukuthi bangisize bangitshela ukuthi they are fully booked. Bona ngeke bakhona ukungisiza. Some of them you can see ukuthi babablockile. So guys, abantu laba bangibhule too much elifini. Bangibhule too much elifini and bangiphendule umuntu engasi uyena. Like inhliziyo yami ayiseseyihle. Izinto engizicabangayo azikho right. Kusho ukuthi abacabangeli nabantwana bami, abacabangeli imizwa yami. uDabula noMaseko anginandaba nabo because labo ba very cheap. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bathathe impilo yomunye umuntu. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bayenze nanoma yini, especially mawukhuluma ngemali. So mina my useless thing ukuthi azange ngivume ngami because ngibona ukuthi this thing leyo ukuthi ngibasebenzele but I don't get nothing. Ifuture yami isamile. I didn't choose that. That is why ngila ngikhona manje. So mina please ngicela abantu laba bangibhadale imali yami so that I do my things. Ngiqhubekele ngiphile ngiphambili.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangidabula he's clapping back at uMahlaleni Ntabeni for saying ukuthi uDabula uqamba amanga ngokuthi iMoja baphathe kahle uDabula uthengwa iMoja Love ngokuthi aqambe amanga ebantwini. So uyaphendula uthi nje nakaphume kuyena he's strong, yena vele umile amagameni akhe kutheni iMoja Love imphathe kahle, yena uzame ukutebulala. Utibulalelani phela ngoba usithi yena ustrong, utolwa ilwela imali yakhe alwe neMoja Love then kungani namhla afuna ukuthatha impilo yakhe. Usaqhubeka nokuba emagameni akhe uDabula ukuthi yena iMoja Love imphethe kahle, akana inkinga, yena impatala kahle, uhappy, akana stress nje. So uyasho ukuthi uyabona ukuthi uMahlaleni Ntabeni loku enta ama video amresponda akhuluma ngaye uthi yena ngeke Dabula uMahlaleni Ntabeni azalungela kuye because yena he's a gay person and strong. Bantu bebacomplaina nge-English ya Dabula laphana enkundleni yokuxhumana bathi kungani makenda ama video Dabula angakhuluma language yakhe, akhuluma isiZulu, wayahleza afuna ukukhuluma Singisi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.